You probably tried an AI video editor before, but I bet you'd never seen how differently Opus Clip and Descript handle the same footage. They both promise to turn your long videos into viral shorts in seconds. But which one actually delivers results that look human? Here's what I found. Opus Clip thinks like a content strategist. It automatically detects what's engaging, adds captions, and also formats it for social media. Descript, on the other hand, it thinks like an editor. It lets you tweak every word, cut fillers, and polish the flow manually. And when you compare the two, the results are totally different. I actually uploaded the same 2-minute video podcast clip to both platforms. Opus Clip instantly generated highlights and captions in about a minute. The script took a bit longer but gave me full control to trim, correct, and reword without touching a timeline. Watch what happens before and after I process this same clip. And don't skip this part, it's the real difference maker. Opus Clip is faster, perfect if you want ready to post shorts. The script, on the other hand, gives you creative control, ideal for refining tone, timing, and voiceovers. So if you want automation, Opus wins. If you want precision and control, the script takes it. In short, Opus Clip is your one-click short maker. The script is your all-in-one editing studio. Both are actually powerful, but they serve different creators and knowing which one fits you the most. Now that you've seen both in action, I'll show you how to combine them. Use Opus for fast clip generation, then polish the final version in the script for a pro finish.